Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best digital voice recorder. Whether for interviews, lectures, or podcasts, this recorder can bring clarity to your voice. Let's get started. Product features. Easy one-button recording. Just press one button and it starts recording instantly. Perfect for moments when you must capture audio quickly without navigating menus. High-quality audio recording. Records clean, crisp voice with support for voice-activated recording and monitoring to capture detail even in quiet or noisy environments. Enhanced functionality. Includes volume control, fast forward/rewind, A/B repeat, timer recording, gain setting, secure password protection, and sectional recording for flexibility. Long battery life. Its 200 mAh battery supports up to 20 hours of continuous recording on a full charge, reducing worries about mid-use power loss. Large storage capacity. With 64 gigabytes internal memory, you can store up to 288 hours of high-quality audio at 512 kbps, ideal for long recordings. Wide compatibility. Works with Windows systems 98, 2000, XP, 7, 8, 10. Easily transfer audio files to your PC without driver hassles or compatibility issues. Pros. Instant one-button recording. Excellent clarity with voice activation. Rich feature set. Long 20-hour battery life. Massive 64 gigabyte storage. Broad Windows compatibility. Various personalization options. Cons. Battery is modest in size. Voice-activated mode may trigger unwanted noise. Some advanced features may require learning. 512 kilobits per second uses space. Lower bitrate could hold more. No macOS compatibility explicitly supported. Final thoughts. The Olo digital voice recorder offers a strong balance of simplicity and powerful features. With one-button recording, high audio quality, long battery life, large storage, and customizable settings, it's ideal for students, journalists, lecturers, and creators. While it may not support every OS and its voice activation may need tweaks in noisy settings, its core performance is excellent. If you want a dependable, flexible voice recorder that works out of the box and grows with your needs, this is a top choice. Capture every word effortlessly. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more gadget insights.